Thing which keeps us not only going, but going with a smile, keeping a happy face for ourselves as well as for the society, is sustainability. So sustainability is about creating businesses, about creating products, creating services, which will ensure a happy and healthy living, prosperous living at the same time for us and for the coming generations. I think the most important thing is we must do whatever we do, perform our activity to the best of our abilities. Which means if you are producing something, we must produce that to the best of the capabilities which we can employ. Whether that is technology, whether that is pooling the capabilities of people, whether that is adopting a systems approach by which you are able to maximize the greatest of the benefits coming from that system. And all that must be with a caring concern for environment. Because ultimately, what matters is how much care of environment you have taken while producing your products and while using these products for your own end use. And that's where I think sustainability becomes very important. We have to have sustainability in manufacturing, sustainability in terms of maintaining and using these products, and sustainability in recycle and reuse of the waste which we create in our modern times. India will be a great India, and I'm pretty sure India will change from its current level of neglect of environment, rather a lower concern for environment, to the highest concern it will exhibit to environment and sustainability. And the reasons are quite clear. If India has to be a great economic power, a much greater sense on sustainability has to come into our mindset as a nation. We need to sustain our activity by minimizing the energy consumption, maximizing productivity, maximizing quality, reducing waste, and even recycling and reusing the waste which we create. And I think India would graduate from the levels of sustainability which it possesses today to the highest levels in the years to come. And maybe the technologies which will be developed tomorrow would also make it possible for India to do it without much investment. I was so excited to see so many industry leaders coming here and showcasing their innovations, which lead us to graduate from one ladder of sustainability to another. I was especially very happy to have the presentations in my session, where we had presentations coming from the recycling and reclaiming of the rubber industry, especially the tire industry, reclaiming in fact the waste paint from the chemical paint sludge which we create in our industries in great number. And I was also very happy to see that there is a focus on cleaner production. In fact, the cleanest production, in my opinion, would be when we learn about molecular manufacturing, beyond the current systems of manufacturing which are based on using bulk products. Through molecular manufacturing, we would be able to cut down the waste in manufacturing, reduce the energy consumption to the lowest level, and assure highest levels of sustainability. Because if we produce using molecular manufacturing, we can ensure that at the end of the day, the carbon goes to carbon, hydrogen goes to hydrogen, sulfur goes to sulfur, leaving no waste whatsoever or worry for that. That's the kind of future I think mankind has in store, but it requires highest levels of innovations in technology development, pooling the innovative genius of people all across the world to think of new materials, new systems of manufacturing, and creating that vital awareness and mindset in people about sustainability.